This tax season, AARP is providing free in-person and virtual tax assistance and preparation. And here to tell us more about that is Laura McDonough from AARP Vermont. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks so much for having me.
So tell people what kind of services you help provide.
Yeah, so our team of volunteers with the AARP Foundation Tax Aid Program are IRS certified, and they review the code every year. So each year they get a new training and they're up to code on everything that's coming out, all of the changes to the tax code. And they will provide tax help with filing federal and state returns, both in person or virtually, depending on the location.
And what have you noticed in past tax seasons? How has this program helped Vermonters?
This is a huge program for helping Vermonters. It really helps to put money back in the pockets of Vermonters every year by making sure that they don't miss out on credits or deductions they've earned. As we all know, tax season can be pretty complicated. The tax code is not easy or simple, so a lot of taxpayers don't end up filing at all, or they end up overpaying or turning to services they can't afford. So this free program, open to anyone with a focus on those aged 50 and older and with low to moderate income, is really just, it's making a big impact.
So how do people sign up to get help?
Yeah, if they visit aarpfoundation.org/taxaid, they'll find a TaxAid site locator map where you can search by your zip code or town and see where the different locations are in your area. Right now, there are about 38 different sites open around Vermont with over 200 volunteers helping out. So you can sign up for an appointment right on that webpage.
And what do people need to know about these appointments, things they might need to bring with them?
Yeah, so that webpage also has a list of documents that you'll need to bring, but it includes things like your social security number, your driver's license, last year's tax return, and a bunch of other documents that are all listed right on that same page. And you can also call the phone number. There's an 800 number listed on that page as well if you need extra help.
And about how many people does this help every year? Do you have numbers on that?
I do, yeah. Last year we had 8,400 Vermonters use this program. And each year we are definitely close to that number, sometimes even more. We've had as many as 14,000 Vermonters being helped in the past few years. So it's really making a big impact on a lot of our vulnerable older Vermonters especially.
And we will have more information on our website with this story so people can find that easily. Laura, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks so much for having me.